Today in this video, I'll show you how to set up the iPhone from scratch. So for that, open the iPhone and press the home power button. Then go to the English. Then go to the country where you are located. I will choose Australia for now and I will select the default. Here I will set up the device without any other devices. Then click on continue. In my case, the Wi-Fi is already here, but in your case, it will ask you to put the password for the Wi-Fi and select the age range. I'll set up the later, or if you want to do now, you can click on continue. Put your phone passcode. I'll just do 1234 for now. 56. I know it's very easy password, but that's okay. Now the part is to get the data from other device. So if you have a backup, for example, iCloud in the first case, if you have iCloud data in the iCloud, then you can go first option and then sign in the iCloud and get the data. If you have the data in another iPhone, then you can select the second option. Based on the necessity, you can do third or fourth. If you have in the data in the Mac or PC or from the Android, in this case, I will click don't transfer anything because I'm going to set up as a brand new. So if you have Apple ID account, then you can put your Apple ID here. But in my case, I don't have it. So I'll just go don't have Apple ID account. I'll set up later in settings. Don't use, agree, continue, not now, location, allow it. And if you have a eSIM, you can choose the eSIM as well. I'll click on setup later. Then continue. I will choose don't share, light, continue, not now, not now, and continue. Just click on continue. Not now. I'll set up the Siri later. Continue. And finally, my home screen is there. Get started. And I'm in the screen. So this is how you set up the brand new iPhone. And now you can download the apps from App Store, whatever you like. And also you can sign in the iCloud or Apple account ID. So this is all in this video. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you for watching the video.